Hi guys, welcome back to Divine Times 2. Hope you're having a good day. Today I'm making Lechon Asado con Mojo. Cuban roast pork with mojo. I use a boneless pork loin that has a little fat on it that crisps up deliciously in the oven. I marinate it and serve it with an amazing lime and sour orange mojo, packed with flavor that is typical of Cuban cuisine. One of the best things of this recipe that it is easy to make. Can't wait to show you this Cuban pork roast with mojo. So join me in the kitchen and let's get started. To make the mojo, you will need 1/4 cup lime juice and 1 large diced onion. Place the diced onions in a food processor and pulse it about 3 to 5 times. Place the onions in a measuring cup. Add 1 cup sour orange, and this is the one I'm using. Add the 1/4 cup lime juice, 1/3 cup olive oil, 10 minced garlic cloves, 1½ teaspoons dried oregano. Crush with your fingers before adding it to the mixture. 2 teaspoons salt, 2 teaspoons ground black pepper, and mix. Place the mojo to the side. This is a 4-pound boneless pork loin. Make slits horizontally and vertically, making sure you don't cut all the way through the loin. Place the loin in a baking dish or in a roasting pan. Stir the mojo and pour all but 1 cup of mojo. Reserve that 1 cup. Cover and place in the refrigerator. Rub the mojo all over the loin. Cover and place in the refrigerator overnight. When you are ready to cook the loin, set it on your counter for at least 30 minutes to let it come to room temperature. At this time, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then place the marinated loin into the oven and cook uncovered for 2 hours and 30 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches 190 degrees. If you find that it's browning too much, go ahead and cover it for the remainder cooking time. These crispy bits of fat are so flavorful and delicious. Let the loin rest for about 15 to 20 minutes before shredding or cutting into it. After shredding, heat the reserved mojo and pour over the shredded pieces of roasted pork loin. Toss with tongs, making sure every bit is coated with this amazing Cuban mojo. Let's try this Cuban pork roast with mojo. It is so good. It's absolutely delicious. The first pop of flavors is lime and garlic. The crispy fat is infused with the flavors of the mojo, and added to the pork makes it even more tantalizing. They serve this pork with seasoned black beans, over rice, or in a piece of Cuban bread, or any bread you like. Guys, you need to try this. You are going to love it. Comment down below, we would love to hear from you. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, so you won't miss out on any of our upcoming simple, delicious, and comforting recipes. See you next time. Love ya. Bye.